Hello viewer, it's a design here. We are going to explore another shape. We will take the designs here using this shape around it. I will add another design, making the changes here. Let's add that design, explore the changes. We are going to find the different option, add another paint, change the color of that